apologize for that, but we just had some breaking transition. You know, we always have transmission, I should say. We always have some technical glitches. Just to close off the program, just a reminder that this is Jamaica Ave Talent. It's a web show where we feature entertainers like Sika, right? Yeah. And Onizo, right? And it's an extension to the Our Stories feature that is published on Jamaicans.com and second published on my blog livewellja.com. So go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and check out entertainer Sika on Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah, any social media, SYKAHDON.
And also Onizo, who is Fabian Pantern on Facebook and Instagram. Alright, until next time, look out for another exciting article coming from me. Eye opener. People always say I write about those stuff that touch the heart, or you know, evoke some kind of emotion, and share my content. Until next time, I'm Ashley and Mowat. Bless.